This is the comparison test pump used for calibration of pressure instruments, normally for all the pressure gauges, pressure switches, transmitters, pressure relief valves, and some other instruments which can be mounted on this kind of instrument, which has about a half-inch VSP port. This is what you can see the port as. This is a comparison test pump which is completely made out of stainless steel, and it can be water operated, unlike the conventional comparison test pumps which need to be filled with oil. So there is no need of filling up of oil, consequently no greases, leaks, and no stinky dress oil, etc. This pump has two ports. Port 1, here you can see it as a dummy. Port 2, where we have mounted a gauge of 560 kg per cm square range process gauge. This process gauge is calibrated against the master gauge, which is to be mounted on this port. However, we have just made it a dummy by using a half-inch VSP male dummy. This is a cylinder through which the pressure is built up by means of hydraulic. In this case, hydrostatic pressure is developed by means of using ordinary water. One can use raw water, which can be even borewell water. This is a reservoir. This needs to be initially opened up, the cap to be removed, top of water. It requires hardly a 200 ml of water. Then close it. Then you need to rotate this spindle, which has 4 levers. We have mounted only 2 levers. By rotating to and fro few times, any air bubbles can be removed, front and backward, nearly 2 to 3 times, so that you can remove any air bubbles left over. Then, once this process of air bubble removal is done, mount the process gauge as well as the master gauge on the respective ports. It can be either way. You can mount the process gauge in the front or the rear. Now let's start calibrating. You can look at the pressure buildup by rotating the spindle, which is freely moving with the fingertip. The free rotation with the help of a fingertip, one can attain easily 100 kg pressure. You can see here, pressure is built up to 100 kg per cm square. Again, further rotation, it requires a little amount of more effort. Of course, with a single hand only, one can rotate up to 250 bar. You can see. Yes, this is 250 bar. Now, to build pressure up to 400 bar, you need to use both the hands. For this, you need to clamp this base plate with any C-clamp, or one need to hold it. Otherwise, it can wobble. To avoid wobbling of this pump base, you need to clamp it, or one need to hold it to further develop pressure. Let us look at how the pressure is developed about 250 bar. You can see here. You can see here. Yes. I have reached up to 400 bar with very ease. One little advantage it has, it can still further go to develop pressure above 450 as well. Yes. Now you can see that it has developed pressure above 500, but it is recommended. The range it is meant for is only up to 400 bar. If you go above 400 bar, you will be damaging the inside piston cylinder O-ring. So it is always recommended to use it up to 400 bar only. Now you can even take the reading backward, upward pressure and downward pressure. With a very free rotation. As I told you earlier, the media used is water. So there is no danger of oil spillages and rust spoiling. It's a very free movement. You can see the spindle free movement with a fingertip.